thank you very much for being with us, Praniti Shinde. Your first thoughts right now, as you know, the leads and results are coming in. So far, it's not been looking so good for the MVA, for the Congress alliance. Do you really expect this to change?
You know, it's actually very early. It's just about, I think, about 4 to 5 rounds that have been completed. It's really early. The Vidhan Sabha elections actually can change around the 8th or the 9th round. I've been through 3 such elections, and it's actually very early to call. And because it's so close everywhere in Maharashtra, it's been a very close contest. Whoever wins is going to win by about 1,000 to 2,000, a lead of 1,000 to 2,000 votes. So it's too early to call. It's always going to be neck to neck. All the rounds is going to be upar niche. So it's too early to tell, and or even to sort of make a comment on whether someone's trailing or not. It's very early. It's just, I think by 11 also, we'll have a clearer picture of what's going on.
You're absolutely right, because a lot of this, we are still finding our postal votes. So you still have hope, do you?
Of course I do. And like I said, I mean, when I was contesting all my 3 elections, I was trailing first 4 rounds, and then I would pick up. And then at a point in time, I would slip to number 3. And then the 8th and 9th round, and then that lead would stabilize till the end. So, that's when we start looking at the actual trend, is at the 8th or the 9th round. And of course, the Election Commission, we're not getting the actual picture on the ground as to which round. I probably think is the 4th or 5th round that's going on right now, the counting. And you see, there are different areas. So some of them are pockets which are, Congress pockets. Some of them are pockets which are the MVA pockets. Some of them are pockets which are the Mahayuti Alliance pockets. So it depends on the area that is actually open, the ballot boxes from that particular area that is open, that tell you who's leading.
But
so it
very true,
really shows.
very correct.
Given that the MVA actually did pretty well in Maharashtra in the Lok Sabha election, which was just a few months ago, does it not concern you that it has actually ended up being such a close election with the BJP and the Shinde Sena and that group in the assembly?
It's not a concern. Well, they try to do everything. I think they somewhere had a whiff of the fact that they're not doing well after our Lok Sabha elections. And so then they try to churn out last minute election gimmicks like the Ladli Behen and etc. and all those things. But, I feel the Lok Sabha election was a turning point in Indian democracy, because the BJP and the Mahayuti now have used everything from money power, muscle power, all kinds of threats. And in spite of which, this was a people's movement. Like somebody called me, there's a silent revolution through the ballot boxes. This is a people's movement, and the people know about it, and they're very aware. And you will see that in the results. So it is a close election because there are lots of parties. There's a full jhamela here in Maharashtra, actually. Lots of parties, lots of independent candidates, lots of rebels. So it is a jhamela, which is why it's going to be a close fight. Also in the urban areas, BJP has used polarization, that they tried to do this in the Lok Sabha elections as well. And I feel that Mr. Roy, you've seen so many elections. It's never been so bad. The level.
I think the bandwidth, something's gone wrong. We'll come back to you in a minute.